A 4K drone with obstacle avoidance under budget? This might be one of the best beginner drones you can buy right now. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today we're reviewing the i3 Pro drone, a foldable quadcopter packed with dual cameras, smart flight features, and easy controls.
First impression, this drone is compact and travel-friendly. Foldable design, easy to carry. Lightweight but durable. Bright LED lights for night flying. Perfect for beginners and casual users. Let's talk about the camera. 4K HD front camera with adjustable angle. Dual camera setup, front plus bottom. Up to 50 times zoom. Wide 150-degree viewing angle.
You can capture aerial shots, downward views, creative social media content. This drone is loaded with smart features. Obstacle avoidance system, optical flow hovering for stability, Wi-Fi real-time video transmission, gesture control and beauty shooting, trajectory flight, draw your path, 360-degree stunt flips. Even beginners can fly like a pro. You can control it in multiple ways. Remote controller, smartphone control, or gravity sensing mode. Plus, one-key takeoff and landing, and headless mode for easy navigation. Battery and performance. Around 18 minutes flight time. Up to 200 meters control range. Good for casual flying, but not long-range pro use. This drone is great for beginner content creators, social media videos, travel and fun aerial shots, learning drone flying. So, is the i3 Pro worth it? Easy to use, foldable and portable, fun features like flips and gesture control, dual camera system.
But 4K is not professional level quality. Limited range compared to premium drones. Obstacle avoidance is basic. Still, for beginners, it's a fun and affordable drone. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.